In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off automated ad assets in Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log in to your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and make sure the Campaigns tab is selected. Now, in the Campaign settings, click and expand the Assets option and select Assets from the dropdown. In the Asset settings, click on the three dots on the right side, then click Account Level Automated Assets. Then, in the Account Level Automated Assets, navigate to the right side and click on the three dots and click on Advanced Settings. Now, in the Advanced Settings of Account Level Automated Assets, you'll see all the automated ad assets. Mine is turned on, as you can see. To turn them off, expand them one by one and click Off. Don't forget to save the changes by clicking the Save button for each one of them. Your campaign will now only use the manual assets you added. That's how you turn off automated ad assets in Google Ads. Thanks for watching.